In today's digital age, privacy is paramount. Your IP address is like your online home address. It can be used to track your online activity, identify your location, and even target you with unwanted ads. Imagine browsing the web without leaving a trace like a ghost in the digital world. That's the power of anonymity. This guide will teach you how to harness the Tor network on your Kali Linux system to automatically change your IP address every 3 seconds. We'll cover everything from installing Tor to verifying your anonymity. Get ready to disappear into the digital shadows. Before we begin, let's make sure your Kali Linux system is ready. This guide assumes you have a basic understanding of the Linux terminal. Don't worry, the commands are straightforward. First, ensure your Kali Linux system is up to date. You can do this by opening your terminal and typing sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. This command will update your system's package lists and upgrade any outdated software. It's like giving your Kali Linux system a quick tune-up. Once your system is updated, we can proceed with installing Tor, your key to unlocking online anonymity. Tor, short for the Onion Router, is a free and open-source software network that helps you defend against traffic analysis. It works by bouncing your communications around a distributed network of relays run by volunteers around the world. Think of it as sending your data through a maze, making it extremely difficult to trace back to you. Installing Tor on Kali Linux is a breeze. Simply open your terminal and enter the following command sudo apt install Tor. Press enter and enter your password when prompted. The system will then download and install Tor and its related components. Now that Tor is installed, we need to start the Tor service. This will enable your Kali Linux system to connect to the Tor network and start routing your traffic through it. To start the Tor service, type the following command in your terminal sudo systemctl start Tor, hit enter, and you're good to go. The Tor service will start running in the background, ready to anonymize your internet traffic. To verify that the Tor service is running correctly, you can use the following command sudo systemctl status Tor. This will display the status of the Tor service, including whether it's active and running. Section 5. Equipping your system with TorNet. While Tor itself is excellent for anonymizing your browsing, we need an extra tool to achieve our goal of changing our IP address every 3 seconds. This is where TorNet comes in. TorNet is a Python script that allows you to request new Tor circuits at specified intervals, effectively changing your IP address. Before we install TorNet, ensure you have pip installed. Pip is a package installer for Python. Kali Linux typically comes with pip pre-installed. If you need to install it, you can do so with the following command sudo apt install python 3pip. Once pip is ready, install TorNet by running sudo pip install TorNet. This command will download and install TorNet and its dependencies. You're now ready to configure your browser to use Tor and set up automatic IP rotation. Section 6. Routing your browser traffic through Tor. Now that Tor and TorNet are set up, it's time to configure your browser to use the Tor network. We'll be using Firefox for this example, but the process is similar for other browsers. First, open Firefox and navigate to Settings. Next, go to the Network Settings section. Select Manual Proxy Configuration. In the SOCKS host field, enter 127.0.0.1 and 9050 in the port field. Check the box for SOCKS v5. Ensure proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5 is checked to prevent DNS leaks. Finally, click OK to save your settings. Congratulations! Firefox is now configured to route all your internet traffic through the Tor network. Section 7. Mastering automatic IP rotation with TorNet. Now comes the exciting part, setting up automatic IP address rotation using TorNet. Open your terminal and enter the following command TorNet R3C1. Let's break down this command calls the TorNet script. Sets the rotation interval to 3 seconds. Specifies that only one new circuit should be requested at each interval. This command will instruct TorNet to request a new Tor circuit every 3 seconds, effectively changing your IP address at the same interval. You can adjust the rotation interval by changing the value after. Remember, shorter intervals might impact your browsing speed. Section 8. Witnessing IP change in action. With automatic IP rotation active, let's see it in action. Open Firefox or your Tor configured browser and visit a website that displays your IP address, such as https://whatismyipaddress.com/. Keep refreshing the page and you'll notice your IP address changing every 3 seconds like magic. This demonstrates that TorNet is successfully requesting new Tor circuits and masking your real IP address. Section 9. Validating your anonymity. Are you truly hidden? While changing your IP address regularly significantly enhances your anonymity, it's essential to verify that you're not leaking any information that could compromise your privacy. First, visit check.torproject.org to confirm that your browser is correctly configured to use the Tor network. This website will indicate whether you're successfully connected to Tor. Next, head over to dnsleaktest.com to check for DNS leaks. DNS leaks can reveal your real IP address even if you're using Tor. The website will show you if any of your DNS requests are leaking outside the Tor network. If you pass both checks, congratulations. You are successfully browsing the web anonymously with a dynamic IP address. Section 10. The ethical implications of online anonymity. It's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. While anonymity tools like Tor are valuable for privacy and security, they can also be misused. Always use your newfound anonymity responsibly and ethically. Avoid engaging in illegal activities or accessing content that promotes harm. Remember, the goal is to protect your privacy and security, not to engage in harmful behavior. Section 11. Embracing further exploration in the world of cybersecurity. Congratulations on mastering the art of automatic IP rotation with Tor on Kali Linux. You've taken a significant step towards enhancing your online privacy and security. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the exciting world of cybersecurity. Continue exploring, experimenting, and learning. Dive deeper into the Tor network, explore other anonymity tools, and stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. The journey to digital mastery is ongoing, and the knowledge you gain will empower you to navigate the digital world with confidence and security. Happy browsing!